Good day, guys. Welcome, by the way. So, if you are new and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. We would be looking at our analysis on our GBPPS from our Euro GBP to GBPAUD to GBP New Zealand. So, basically, all our GBPPS. First, we have here is our Euro GBP. So, we will start our analysis from the monthly time frame downward. On this monthly time frame on our Euro GBP, we all can see that we are actually ranging. We would take up here as our resistance, and right down below we will be taking it as our support level. So anytime our price rise up to this our resistance, we will see drop to our support, pushes up to our resistance, drop to our support. Basically, of recent now on this our monthly time frame, you've actually dropped to this our support level, right? So our support level, and when we saw a push down at this level, then we saw a pullback. So this is actually a good level. It also, we saw some rejection at this level. Yeah, we saw its price came to this level here, and it's kind of giving us like a range level that I actually highlighted. So this is a level we should all watch out for. So once the price broke below this level, we saw it pull back to this level and it's dropped. Now our price has actually rose to this level again. We saw it reject and it has rose to this level. What I am seeing again is that our price is very much likely to drop again before we see a rise up. I don't believe it will actually just push up. The reason why I said that it will possibly drop a little bit, then a really bullish move will occur, is that when we see our GBP index, we see that we are about to push up on it on our GBP. I think this, let's see if it's properly shown. I don't know why it's not showing very well, but probably maybe because of the network or something, I don't know. But basically, we're expecting a little bit of a drop on our Euro GBP, then we will see a rise up. So basically, once our Euro will be dropping, then our GBP will be rising. We are going to see it on all correlation pairs where our GBP is equal to push up on the monthly time frame. So that is on the monthly standpoint. We are expecting a little bit of a drop because this is a key level, then a rise up might occur, so possibly. And let's see our weekly time frame. There was actually a ranging movement here. We should actually watch out for this key level. So this week we're very much likely to close bearish. By the way, we're very much likely to see a drop. Reason is that, first of all, if you are to take this impulse move upward, a huge impulse move, by the way, we should be expecting, if expecting a drawdown, like a pullback area, then a continued impulse move upward. If this will be a bullish move, then you should be expecting an impulse, a correction, which will be giving us like red. We can't just continue to have that impulse move, bullish up. At least we should have a pullback, then an impulse move will correct, will show up. That is why I said our Euro will very much likely to drop a little bit, then our GBP will rise. After it, then our GBP will start falling. That is when our Euro to GBP will start rising. So basically, on this Euro GBP, I'm expecting a pullback area before we actually see a rise on it. Daily time frame, this is it. There is an impulse move here. We add a correction at this level, so you add an impulse move here. So very much likely I'm seeing the correction to actually drop again to this level. Hopefully it take out this lows, then we might see a rise up again. If it does not break below it, then we should be seeing it pull back to this level and a rise up. So I still believe that we will still be having an impulse move anytime soon on our Euro GBP. Now let's see, the 4-hour time frame is actually time frame to actually place the trade, and let's see its 4-hour time frame is still an uptrend move. So definitely we are not to actually short it. Possibly if the price can break below 0.86021. So if the price can break it below it, then we can actually now short it. If not, very much likely to continue to go bullish. But let's see how the price will play out this week on Euro GBP. Now GBPAUD on this our monthly time frame, you can see we are actually on a bearish move. We would be having impulse. We had impulse move here. A correction was made, and now what we are expecting next is an impulse move downward again on our GBPAUD. So basically, our GBP to our AUD will actually continue to go bearish, which means our GBP is now on a bearish move this monthly time frame. If you are to input our 10 period moving average. Price is below the 10 period moving average, which means we are still bearish and we will continue to drop on it. Down to our weekly time frame. So this is it on our weekly time frame. Price below 10 period moving average one. This is an impulse move downwards. So this was actually a correction on monthly time frame, but it was ranging on the weekly time frame, and now we've gotten another impulse move downwards. So basically price is on a bearish move on weekly time frame. Down to daily time frame, by the way, still an impulse move, by the way. So from here, let's take it from this level, you'll be seeing a drop, by the way. So definitely we'll continue to get that drop on GBPAUD. So to actually place this trade, we'll go down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if the price will actually break below these lows. If not, we might want to be ranging with it on our 4-hour time frame. I mean, once the price breaks below these lows of 1.68717, then we can actually enter the sell. If not, we might continue to range within this area for on our 4-hour time frame till the price breaks above our lows. Then we can actually short it. GBPAUD, same thing, monthly time frame. We are still expecting price to drop to our support level here area. So basically once you see our price come to the support level, it pushes up to our resistance level, comes to our support level, pushes up resistance level. So basically it's actually ranging monthly time frame, and now we've actually added this drop from our resistance level. We add a pullback, and now we are having another drop again, which means it is closer to our support level. So basically GBP to our New Zealand dollar will continue to go bearish. So we are still expecting a drop, at least, let's see, at least 400 plus pips to drops. By the way, the pair is volatile, so we still have a lot of pips to grab on this weekly time frame. Let's see it from here. There is an impulse move from here. We add a correction here, an impulse move, which there was a correction, and now we are having an impulse move again. So basically this impulse move, we hope it will break below these lows this week on our GBP New Zealand dollar daily time frame. By the way, see, it's still an impulse move, by the way. So this our daily time frame has actually gotten to this level. Let's hope it will break below this level, and to actually enter this trade, we will go down to 4-hour time frame. So basically 4-hour time frame, price is actually ranging within this area here. So to actually enter this trade, we have to wait for the price to break below this level. Once it breaks below, then we can actually short it. If not, we might very much likely continue to range with this on our GBP New Zealand. See, the GBP New Zealand dollar pushes down to break below these lows, then we can actually now go and now short our GBP New Zealand. GBPCAD monthly time frame, by the way, see our price have highlighted these lows, which is our support, will be taken out. Anytime our price goes to this level, it tends to bounce up, right? And our GBPCAD is at that level, but I think we still have about 100 more pips more to actually get to the level we are talking about. At least this level we still have, on close to 200 pips, by the way. So let's say 150 pips more drop on our GBPCAD before we see a rally movement upward. So GBPCAD, we still expect a little bit of a drop, then a bullish move might be occurring. So GBPCAD, or the moving average, we are still on a bearish. I think it's below yes, still below 10 period moving average. So we should actually short this. Weekly time frame, still a bearish move, by the way. So impulse move, correction, another impulse move, a correction here, add another impulse move, correction was made, another impulse move downward, add a correction here, right? We've add another impulse move. Very much likely we are starting to have a correction, by the way, so on our GBPCAD. So once we have the correction, a little bit of a correction, we'll be expecting another impulse move again. So basically we are still expecting a drop on our GBPCAD, but before that, a correction is about to happen. Let's see if we will get that a little bit of correction, then a drop. Now daily time frame, still an impulse move downward. So daily time frame is still on a bearish move, and price is still below 10 period moving average. So we should actually look to short it. To short it, we'll go down to 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, we are actually ranging within this level area here. So we will take it as a resistance and support level. Anytime we see it come to our support level, we should aim to go it, bounce it, push it up, then it drop again, except the price breaks the lows, this candlestick wick on a 4-hour time frame. Then we can actually now short the GBP card. And lastly is our GBP Swiss franc. I believe we'll be having a bullish move anytime soon. On the monthly time frame, we can see this level, this huge weak rejection here on our GBP card, same at this level area here. So basically, this is a level where any price comes, it rejects. We saw it rejects at this level. It's rejected at this level. We saw it reject at this level multiple times, and now it at this level and it's broke below it. So next level we are looking for it to reject is at this huge wick here, right? So basically, let's see if it will give us a correction, possibly if it will continue to go bearish, because this GBP Swiss franc, we can see impulse move down, a correction was made, another impulse move, right? Price actually broke below it, so we should at least be expecting a correction to this level, possibly on our monthly time frame. It will give us that or not, let's hope it will give us. Weekly time frame, still a bearish move, by the way, so it is still trending down. If you are trading on the weekly time frame standpoints, still on a bearish move, by the way. So add a correction here and still on a bearish move. Let's continue to short this GBP Swiss franc, and basically for daily time frame is still the same. So to enter this trade, we go down to the 4-hour time frame. So basically, once our 4-hour time frame pullback is over, then we can actually now go to short this GBP Swiss franc on our 4-hour time frame. So basically, from here, impulse move, a correction, another impulse move, a correction was made there, and add another impulse move. So we are having a correction. After this correction, another impulse move, we should be having downward on GBP Swiss franc.